Hi guys, my name is Mike and welcome to the technical section of our channel. Today we're teaching you how to treat your old hard drives. Well, basically what you're going to need for this installation is a hammer. Unfortunately we don't have a hammer, so we're going to use a wrench instead, and of course a curb including some hard drives. As we can see over here, we have some hard drives that need special treatment. These are approximately from 1990s, early 2000s. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, that should do the trick.